What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today I'm using hot and cold colors, and then I'm using this nifty little gadget I got from Michaels. It's kind of like a bottle bottom pour, or a strainer pour, but yeah, that's it. You just put it down, pour paint inside it, and it flows through, creating lines. I also have this triple cup that is what I'm going to layer the hot and the cold colors into. So the colors we're using, I have a fluorescent orange, cadmium red, an oxide black, cerulean blue, phthalo blue, titanium white. None of these colors have any silicone whatsoever. They are mixed 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint, and that's really it. So I have no idea what this is going to turn into. It just seemed like an interesting idea for me, so I wanted to try it. So yeah, I want the light to come out. So I'm gonna fill each of the chambers half and half with the dark and the lighter color. That's about half right there. Okay. And hopefully get some really interesting effects this way. I think it's going to look really cool. And that's what I'm hoping for. Alright, so that's good. Then we have the... you know what? I might want the dark blue on the bottom. So I'll have the dark blue on the bottom of the center chamber, and then have the light blue on top of that. Let's see if I can not get it to churn through. So yeah, I did not want to create a ton of cells, so that's why there's no silicone in any of these colors. Also mix these colors 1 day in advance so that the bubbles would have time to work themselves out. Alright, so yep, dark. So I'll do the lighter, this fluorescent orange on the bottom, because I kind of alternated already. Light, dark, dark, light, light, dark. So I want to see, I always try to do something like that to offer contrast. And who knows what's gonna, I don't even know what this is gonna end up looking like. I'm hoping it looks really cool, but who knows? That one's pretty full. All right, let me set these cups to the side, the ones that still have paint in them anyway, so we can save them for later. It is a fantastic day in Phoenix today. It's warm outside, the sun is shining, not a care in the world. And I'm doing something that I love doing with every one of you, so super grateful. So I do know that I want to pour, but I'm also going to be turning this and pouring it out at the same time. So yeah, wish me luck, y'all. All right, so let's try to get it going. Ooh, okay, that's too fast. Alright, so we're not seeing too much yet. We gotta get it to churn out far enough. One thing I didn't think about was the action of pouring it out of the cup and it churning through the little split down there. Just might overmix the colors a tad. So we're hoping that doesn't happen. Let's see. We do have some really interesting lines right now. And a huge spot of red from when we initially started the pour. Now we have some of that gorgeous fiery orange coming out. That's a beautiful color. Just waiting for, we got the dark blue churning through from the bottom of the cup. We don't have any white yet. It's only a matter of time though. I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm soon to be, now that I'm established with the painting, I can actually paint. I'm going to be reaching out to a bunch of local artists here and seeing about, you know, doing some community events and functions. I'm very excited to interact with the community. So that was a big sticking point for me moving to Arizona too, was that I know there's a very vibrant artist community here. Oh wow, that white and black coming out together is amazing. That's pretty cool though. Yeah, the way it's churning through. And now we're starting to see some of those layers coming out. Yeah, that looks so cool coming out of the center. I'll have to make sure I rinse both these tools out safely so that I can continue to use them. But yeah. Wow. That's some really cool colors. But I do want to get engaged with the community. I want to kind of give back, offer the therapy that I've found and adopted and fell in love with to others that might not even know anything about this. So it is truly a healing art form. Ooh, we had some drips. I think that's okay. Oh man, that was spinning for so long. I'm getting that weird optical illusion of it still spinning. Oh wow, okay. That did some really interesting little centers. All right, let me set this off. I think it's gonna look really cool because it is actually creating some interesting cell-like spots. But, all right, let's see what we have here. That's crazy that that little spin exposed all those really bright colors. And you're also seeing the layers still. I'm actually pretty excited about this one because I've done strainer pours in the past that we got some really, really weird lacing. You gotta be able to see that. You can see that, right? Okay, well, dang, that looks really cool. I'm gonna bring you guys down. I want you to see this because I did not expect the colors to interact with each other like that. That is that cadmium red that's making that lacing over all of it, which is so cool looking. All right, let me bring you down. So that's what I'm talking about. You got all this really fine lacing. And it all comes from that cadmium red color. but it pretty much covers everything, which I'm curious as to how that happened. And if any of you know, let me in the comments, let me know. But it looks super organic. I actually love it a lot. And it dried perfectly. There's no cracking or crazing. All those little details are very prominent after it's dry. Especially love this spot of really bright red right there. Very happy with this one.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.